Hi, today I'll be making this beautiful ornament. If you want to make it too, just follow along. So, what you'll need for this holiday craft is some wooden snowflakes. I got these from the Dollar Tree, but you can probably find them other places. Rhinestones. I'm using resin 4mm clear rhinestones. And then just some tools to pick up the rhinestones. And of course, the glue. I'm using Gemtech. So, it's pretty simple. You just need to put the glue on the snowflake and then attach your rhinestones. So, for a little reference, this project ended up taking like a half hour to an hour, I think. I'm not for sure on that, but that's how long I took. Depending on how fast you are, it might change, but yeah, it's not a quick project. So, I don't know if you saw, but it was actually a 5-pack, and while I'm editing this, I'm actually finishing up the rest of them. So, I think they'll look pretty nice on my tree. I don't actually have my tree up yet. I know it's like November, but I like to wait till December. But if you want to get ahead on your ornaments, snowflakes are the way to go. This is actually the first time I've ever added rhinestones to something, so I'm kind of learning on the way. So that's how you know it's a beginner project, because I am a beginner. Well, not the first time. I am currently working on adding rhinestones to a pair of shoes. And if you're asking, yes, I am recording that. It's taken a lot longer than this project, let's just say that. So, this project is a nice little fun craft to do with friends and family. And looking at it now, it kind of looks like a sugar cookie. Like, not a Christmas sugar cookie, but like a sugar cookie with just powdered sugar. But it's not powdered, it's like crystal sugar. I don't know, you know what I mean? Like, it kind of looks like that. Oh, and I've been practicing my piano too. So for the end of the video, I'm just going to play what I've learned. It's a holiday classic. Oh, Christmas tree. Hey, whatever happened to Thanksgiving? 'Cause in my feed, I see a ton of Christmas stuff, like Christmas shorts, Christmas long-form videos. It's like, where's the turkeys? So I'm hoping to get some Thanksgiving stuff out there too. So, like I said in the beginning of the video, I got most of this stuff from Dollar Tree. Except the rhinestones and stuff. So that tree back there, I got from Dollar Tree too, and it was only $1. Crazy, right? Well, I gotta go, but thanks for watching.